Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong of the Optimal Health Network, and today I'm going to talk to you about how often should you poop. This is, for some reason, a controversial issue, but as someone who's been working with people one-on-one for over 20 years on this very issue, I can say that it is really important, and people feel way better when they have a good poop every single day. And also the quality of the poop is important. So how often should you poop? Every day, if not a couple times a day. And if you're not, you can look at our stool chart and get a good idea about what is going on. Also, you can be pooping too much, and that's also something we'll talk about in this video. So if you have dry, lumpy stool, you're dehydrated, you're constipated, you have to strain to get it out, that can cause hemorrhoids, it can cause anal fissures. You don't want that. So you want to do things like consider probiotics, consider digestive enzymes, consider our suppositories, our enema series. So if you have type 1, 2, or 3 stools, definitely do something about that. You're in need of optimizing your health. If you have type 4 stool, that's ideal. It's a sausage-like poop, it's long, and it's not broken up at all. If you have type 5, 6, or 7 stool, you likely have some kind of irritant in the body, or whether that's a virus or a parasite or candida, or you're putting something in your body that is irritating you, whether that's sugar or some kind of allergen. Constipation can also be caused by hormonal imbalance, especially in women, but also in men. Like I said earlier, poor diet, a lot of different things, like whether it's lack of fiber. Often that's a common notion of why a person is constipated, but I see lots of people try to add in fiber and it doesn't change things. So other good solutions are using magnesium. That really helps with increasing the quality of the stool. You want to have a good quality magnesium. I like a mix of magnesiums, the malates, the citrates, the lysinates. So that's something to consider. Also, if you need even more support when you're constipated, you can use temporarily a cake's aloe is something to help increase the motility of the colon. We also have our enema series, which is something that helps restore the colon to its optimal health by feeding it nutrients that it needs, like butyric acid and electrolytes, and working to optimize the overall system of the body to promote the healthy bowel flow, with things like coffee, enemas for the improvement of liver health and such like that. You can always use your stool to support your efforts to optimize your health, and we are here to help. If you have any questions or needs, you can reach out to us at Optimal Health Network, and we'd love to help you.